Welcome back to my channel, Kings and Queens. If you are loving this look like I am, let's achieve this look together. I hope you learned something, and I hope you give me your comments in the comment section. Like and subscribe to my channel. Alright. So first I am going to moisturize my hair and oil my scalp, and these are the two products that I'm using. I just put the oil in my roots and then the cream onto my actual hair. You have to protect your hair. So after I do that, then I'm gonna put my cap on. But before I do that, we get started. Let us pray, y'all. So today, Father, we're praying that this video goes as planned. Cause your girl has never done blonde before. So yeah. I am brushing everything back. Then I'm going to put my rubber band to secure my hair because I didn't do my cornrow this time. And then I'm going to, originally I wasn't going to do the ball cap, but I decided to do the ball cap because you're doing colored hair. You can't do it without a ball cap. So I am stretching the cap and then I'm going to put it right onto my hair, making sure my edges are well secured on inside the cap and feel nice and snug. It's not too tight because I don't want a headache, okay? Now that my cap is secured, I'm going to use this Mary Kay foundation. I think this is the number shade 5. It's a very old foundation. I don't use it on my face anymore, so I just use it on my hair. And mind you, this is a cream to powder foundation. And I like how it is because it's not oily. It's going to keep my glue, intact for if I want to wear it for some days or maybe a week. I don't like to keep my wigs too long. But yeah, as you can see, the shade is a great match. So now I'm going to do my bald cap, but I'm going to do this off camera. If you'd like to see a full video of a detailed video of a bald cap, I'm going to do that. So I'm cleaning the edges of my hair or my skin with some alcohol. So that's what I'm doing right there. I'm being very careful not to get it on my cap because my cap is going to lift. And I am going to cut the back, like the little net on the back of the wig. I don't know what those stuff are for, but yeah. It's always on the wigs that I get. So I'm going to use a lace tint from AliExpress. It's in the shade light. So I'm going to put that on my wig. And I'm going to place that on my head. Now I am clipping the baby hairs that's in the front of my face away, so that it does not interfere when I am trying to put the glue on to my hairline. It fits very right on my hair. Before I cut snips into, or some lines, 3 lines into the lace before placing my wig on. Sharp, small scissors, so that I'll be able to get a precise cut, and this will make it so much easy when placing this wig onto my glue. I'm also going to cut off the ear tabs so that it fits nicely and comfortably. I realized that this wig was slightly smaller than I would wish it would be, so I had to take it off and then cut off just in between the lace and the where the tracks start right there, so that the wig can fit more properly onto my hair or more snug onto around my ear. So you see me doing that right there, but just be careful so you don't cut a whole chunk of the hair out, because 613 wigs sheds already, but doing the most is going to shed more. So as you can see, it fits very more snugly and better, way more better now. I'm gonna place my glue that I got from AliExpress onto my hairline, making sure that I spread it out nice and evenly so that it will dry and turn clear quickly as possible. I don't want it to be, if it dries too much, placing the wig onto the glue will be hard. So when you see that it gets clear, you put your second layer. So I'm going to do 2 layers, but I start from the middle and then work my way to the sides, as you can see. As soon as the glue is clear enough for me, I'm going to pull the middle tab first, and then I'm going to do the sides as well, pressing firmly and making sure it's nice and sticking into my glue. And then I'm going to put my band on. I'm going to use my comb, sorry, and I'm going to use that whilst I use my blow dryer. And then I'm going to make sure everything is secured before I put my band on to let it melt. That will be the first melt. And remember, the blow dryer has to be on the cool setting, not the hot. You don't want the glue to melt. You want it to set and be secured into the hair or the lace. Put my band on until my ancestors whisper into my ear that my queen, my daughter, is enough before I'm going to take it off. I don't have a specific time to like leave it on, but I've tied on to because I want it to melt very well until they tell me it's enough. Your ears are going to fall off. So here I'm using my razor to carefully cut off the lace. You don't want to cut your forehead. Please, let's not do that. So be careful when cutting off the lace. Extremely, extremely careful because we don't want you to bleed or cry. And I cut as close to the hairline as possible. Very, very close to the hairline. So I don't cut a whole bunch of the hair out because I'm going to use some glue on my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to place it right on the spots that I did not glue down or the glue didn't get, because you don't want to have too much glue left on the forehead that your lace could not be placed on. So you would rather have more lace that you could not put lace so that you can use a little glue to place it on rather than having more glue on your hairline that you have to take off. So I hope you guys understand. I hope I'm explaining well. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. just placing a little glue at the back of my hands to put that at the right um, edges of my wig where I the glue did not um, get. Be very, very careful when doing this because you don't want extra glue sitting right in front of the lace. You want it right underneath there. And as you can see, if I have a little bit more than what I need, I just immediately wipe it off with my fingers so it does not dry. Because if it dries and you put your tint or your makeup on there, it will look dirty. So please wipe the excess off that you don't need as soon as you place it so it does not dry. And don't forget to do the sideburns because there will be a little bit of lifting at the right, like right on top of your ear or at the corners of your ear. So make sure you place a thin layer of glue, even maybe 2 layers if you need to. And just wait till it dries clear before you press it in. Don't press it in immediately. It has to be clear. After I'm sure that glue is dry, I'm going to take a little bit of my lace tint again, and then I'm going to place that right on top of it, making sure that it's nice and melted in. I'm also going to take my wig grip spray as my first melting spray, and I'm going to put that in that same container that I'm holding, and using the brush, I don't want to spray it directly onto my hair. Spray it inside of a container or on top of a lid or something like I'm doing now, and then I'm just gonna put that right on top of the lace to feather melt it. And then after, I am going to blow dry it. Please make sure it's dry before you tie it down. And I rotated my blow dryer between cool and hot setting, but not very hot, just the lower setting of the hot one, so it does not get too tacky. It has to be dry, not tacky. So, and this is a second layer of my melting spray, the same spray that I showed you, and then I'm going to blow dry again, then I'm going to tie it down right after. So now that the hair is dry enough for me, I'm going to tie my melting band, and then I'm going to do my makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back. If you'd like to see the video of how I did my makeup, I'm going to post that after posting this hair video. This hair was curled off camera on top of my mannequin head because I don't want stress. I like soft life. So it's easiest for me when I curled it on my mannequin head or my wig block, and then I place it, install it, so that way the styling will be easy and I'll have it easy on my hands and my elbow. Cause girl, my back. So yeah, I'm taking all the clips out after I curled it. I pin curled it so that I can get a better hold of my curls. Um, and then I'm going to use a big white tooth comb to first brush through it and style it. And then I'm also going to use my rat tail comb to smooth everything out. And then I'm showing you the other product that I'm going to use as well. Just a little holding spray to give it something extra, and that's about it. So continue watching and enjoying this video for the finished look. Please be very, very, very gentle whilst using the hot comb on your edges because you can burn yourself. I burnt myself a little bit whilst making this video, but it's all good. It's part of the experience. But if you're not experienced with a hot comb, please practice on a mannequin or all the details for this wig will be in the description box below, including the products that I used as well. Thank you so much, kings and queens, for staying with me creating this beautiful look. Show your love in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get all the videos that I drop. Thank you so much. Again, bye-bye.